It's CBF Cyclone, Friday, March 28th, 2025. Tropical Storm Diane has made landfall in Australia with 50-mile-an-hour sustained winds. Thankfully, this isn't in a very populated area. Actually, when I zoom in, I don't see any towns. So that's good. That doesn't mean no one lives there necessarily, but I think the population is very low, if not none. So it isn't impacting that many people. And yesterday I was zooming in on this one, and it looked like there are a lot of mountains there. I'll show you. And if there are a lot of mountains, then that kind of means it's gonna slowly lose strength and dissipate. So that's also good. So yeah, look, a lot of mountains here. This rugged terrain is just mountains. It is at this when we move it to 8 p.m. It's overland. But a lot of mountains here, so it should weaken and dissipate quickly. So it won't move too far inland and start affecting too many people. Tropical Cyclone Courtney has actually pretty quickly intensified into a Category 4 tropical cyclone. Sometime tomorrow it should move into the southwest Indian Ocean, and then it should dissipate by about April 2nd. Invest 94S, that's got a low chance of development in the next 24 hours. It's still at 15-mile-an-hour sustained winds, and we'll see if this develops. I'll keep an eye on it, and if it does, I think it would start heading toward Madagascar. Courtney has also developed an eye since yesterday. This is just a strong-looking storm that's not affecting anyone. So I'm fine with that. I'll take a strong storm that doesn't hurt anyone. This one is over land. This is Diane. Not really hurting anyone, I don't think. Invest 94S. It's not really looking that organized, and maybe I don't know if it's going to organize and develop anymore. It's kind of hard to tell. And with our sea surface temperatures, and we're looking at them pretty warm where Diane was. Courtney, that means they're very deep warm waters also. Courtney is in cooler waters and is gonna, still some intensification is forecasted, and then weakening. So that's in kind of cooler waters, may intensify a little bit. And then wherever Invest 94S is, that's in really warm water. I do want to show you the severe weather threat for this weekend. We've got a heightened severe weather risk, and it's kind of in the same areas that were hit hard by the level 5 out of 5 severe weather day, March 15th, and March 14th, which was a level 4 out of 5. So I think this is going to be mainly a damaging wind event. And then you look at April 2nd, here's a higher chance of maybe a tornado event. I'll keep an eye on that. Also here, day 4, the southeast, well really all the Atlantic seaboard is going to be under severe weather threat on Monday. So I'll keep an eye on that. And I'll show you this also. The GFS. This is the GFS forecast model. So we go to March 31st. That's the big day. That's like all over here. That's looking. This is all rain right here. That does kind of look like a damaging wind event. I don't really see many like isolated supercells. And April 2nd is the other day. this looks like further north, and it looks like strong systems. Also, maybe some supercells embedded in that. And we could go and look at even further. Even further, this kind of range is stalling here. This is April 6th. And then there's this weird system that kind of like pops up over Texas and then moves through, moves off. And then here we're April 13th. This system may become something right here. May become, because it stretches all the way from Canada all the way to Louisiana. So that's a pretty widespread system. That may be severe, but that's April 13th, and I don't even know how many days out that is. That's more than 2 weeks, I think. So I'll keep an eye on all this stuff going on. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and see ya.